guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your hobbies to level 11 in Heartopia. So yes, I finally got the premium hobby upgrade tickets, and I'm only able to upgrade one hobby for now. So we are going to, drumroll please, upgrade the cooking hobby. So let's upgrade that. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous because I only have one. So confirm. I'm finally level 11. So we got a call from Annie here. Okay. So basically, we are going to go to Massimo and we're going to go to the cooking store to purchase the recipes, I'm going to assume. Yes, we have the mellow black tea, learn that, and the milkshake, learn that as well. And that is how you can upgrade to level 11 of the hobbies in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!